Hi and welcome to Connemara Shooter. Now I'm just going to do a very quick review on cleaning the glass on your scopes. The handiest thing I find, and a friend of mine showed me this, is to buy a camera lens pen. Basically all there is at one end you have a brush and you can clean off any excess dust. Folds away, and at the other end there's a little pad on the end of this, and basically you just rub the pad around the lens and it really does clean them really well, and there's no smears, and it's brilliant. Like I said, these are cheap now. These are only like a couple of euro online. Very handy to bring with you hunting, and instead of bringing tissue that gets wet and everything. I probably wouldn't try this on dampness. If the scope is wet, I'd probably try to dry it off first. Okay, and that's about all I have for this review. It's a very quick review, but could be very handy for somebody. You can follow us on our Facebook page at Connemara Shooter Facebook page, or you can follow us online at our website, and where the forums are at connemarashooter.com. Thank you for watching.